Good morning, YouTube. It's been a few weeks since I put the water glass in my engine, and now it is a cold day in hell, New Orleans, and I'm gonna demonstrate how well it starts with no choke. So we got a pour starter. That was the second firing. I already tried to do it, so now I gotta pump the pedal a bunch to simulate choking. Can you see the cloud coming out? I don't see any. Yeah, there's just a barest whiff coming out the exhaust. Let's see if we can get the idle stable. There, stable idle. Look at all this drift that blew in the door. Oh, it's because I had a hole in my window. Oh, yeah. Oh, jeez. Hell, I've never done that before. Avalanche. Hit the other side. Should be able to. I don't want to grab. I'm going to throw my bag at it. There's my. Oh, jeez. Well, that didn't work. Well, let's load my. Let's see the exhaust. That's what you're here for, right? Smells of gasoline. Not coolant. So we'll get to the running part right after I load this bike.